All right, class. So today's homework help is on translation. Translations is a transformation or how an object moves. It slides. So it slides. So to translate an object on a coordinate plane is to slide it. Okay, so it's to slide it. You're either going to slide it to the left or to the right, okay, on the about the x-axis, or you're going to slide it up or down. So you can go left, right, up, down. Okay, left, right, that's X, up, down, Y. Okay, you're gonna slide it across the X axis, left, right, or the Y axis, up, down. Okay, all right, so let's slide these objects, see what our new ordered pairs are gonna be. So look at this. This is where our pre-image is. This is where the object started. This is the pre-image. We're going to slide it 1 unit to the left. So you're going to move each of these ordered pairs over 1 unit to the left. Slide each of them over 1 unit to the left. Okay? So look, slide X over 1 unit to the left. So this is now going to be X with a tick mark because it's one move. Okay? Slide G over 1 unit to the left. So now this is going to be G with a tick mark, G prime. Okay, slide Q over 1 time to the left. This is going to be Q prime. And slide U over 1 time to the left. This is going to be U prime. Okay, so every time you move an ordered pair, you're going to put a tick mark. So if I made another transformation or translation, I would have 2 tick marks. But since I'm only making one set of transformations, I'm going to the left, it's 1 tick mark in the corner. So I'm going to connect my ordered pairs. And this is a translation. It just slid over 1 time to the left. Okay? All right. So let's do number 2. Now we're sliding it. Translation is to slide. Sorry, y'all. 3 units to the right. So we're going to move everything over 3 units to the right, 3 units to the right, 3 units to the right. So let's start with Y right here. So let's slide it. 1, 2, 3. So this is Y prime. 1 tick mark. Let's slide M 3 places over to the right. 1, 2, 3. This is M prime. Slide T 3 units to the right. 1, see it? 1, 2, 3. This is T prime. Slide Q over 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. This is Q prime. So now connect. And you could tell this object stayed exactly the same shape and size. All it did was slid 3 units to the right. 3 units to the right. This again is called my pre-image before the move. This is my image after the move. Pre-image before the move. Image is after the move. The pre-image has no tick marks. The image has at least 1 tick mark. Okay. Let's look at number 6. All right. 3 units up. So I'm going to graph all of these ordered pairs and then move it 3 units up. So let's graph it first. This is my pre-image, no tick marks. So we got R, -4, -3. So this is my X coordinate. This is the X axis. Go to -4, -1, -2, -3, -4. Go down 3 because my y is a -3. So go down. 1, 2, 3. This is R. Okay? So I did that one. Now let's do D. This is X. This is Y. -4 and 0. Start right here at the origin. On the x-axis, go to -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 on the y is right here. That means you don't move up or down. This is D. Okay. L is 0, 0. That's the origin. This is X. This is Y. F is 0 on the X and -3 on the Y. This is 0 on the X. -3 means you go down 1, 2, and 3. So this is going to be F. I forgot to label L. So this is a nice rectangle. Okay. So now we're going to move it, translate it 3 units up. So you're going to take all of these ordered pairs and go up 3. So let's do D. Start at D. 1, 2, 3. This is my new location for D. D prime. Let's do R. 1, 2, 3. This is my new location for R. So it was D, now it's also R. R prime. Put it right beside the D. Okay. This is my L. Move it 3 units up. 1, 2, 3. This is my new location for L. F. Move it 3 places up. 1, 2, 3. This is my new location for F. I'm going to put it right beside L. Okay. So my new shape just slid up 3 units. The bottom one is the pre-image. That's before the move. The top is the image. That's after the move. Okay. Again, translation is to slide. Please pause the video. Okay. Pause the video as you need it. Let's go over to the next one. Let's do translation. Remember, translation is to slide. How are we going to slide it? This time we're going to slide it 1 unit to the right and 2 units down. Okay, this is one set. We're going to do them both. We're going to go 1 unit to the right and then 2 units down. So let's start over here. 1 unit to the right for E, 1 to the right, and then down 1, 2. This is my new location for E. E prime. Just 1 tick mark. You're doing 1 translation. Even though it's 2 steps, it's still 1 translation. Now we're going to do T. Again, 1 unit to the right, 2 units down. 1 to the right, then go 1, 2 units down. This is T prime. 1 tick mark. This is I. 1 unit to the right and 2 units down. So over 1 and then down 1, 2. This is I prime. So all you're doing is just sliding it. Okay. Let's do the next one. Remember, without the tick marks, this first is the pre-image. Before you moved it is the pre-image. After the move, it's called the image. The pre-image does not have tick marks. The image has tick marks. How many transformations were made? 1 transformation was made. What is that transformation? Translation. Okay? You did 1 translation. All right? Let's do number 4. Translation is to slide. Okay? So how are you going to slide this time? We're going to move 1 unit to the right, 2 units down. We're doing the same kind of move again. So let's take E, 1 unit to the right, 2 units down. See how I'm going to move it to the right? 1 to the right, down, 1, 2. This is E prime. W, 1 unit to the right, 2 units down. 1 to the right, 1, 2 down. This is W prime. G, 1 unit to the right, 1, 2 units down. This is G prime. Okay? Before the move is this is the pre-image. After you move it is the image. Okay? Number 5. We're going to graph our ordered pairs, just like we did over here. We're going to graph these. Okay? We got U. All right? This is my x coordinate, y coordinate. Let's find -3 on the x. This is the x-axis. This is 0 on the x-axis. Go to the left. 1, 2, 3. This is -3 on the x-axis. -4 on the y is down. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how you graph U. Okay? M. X is -1, y is -1. Let's do x first. Start right here at the origin. -1 is to the left 1 time. -1 on the y is down 1 time. This is M. L. This is my x, this is my y. Let's go to the origin. Okay? -2 on the x-axis to the left. 1, 2. -5 is down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right here. This is L. This is a triangle. This is my pre-image. Now we're going to take this triangle and move it up 5. Okay, so let's start here with M. Let's go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is M prime. U. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is U prime. L. Let's go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is L prime. 1 tick mark because we did 1 transformation. The transformation that we did is called a translation. Okay? Connecting the ordered pairs. Okay, so all we did was just slide the object up. Without the tick marks, this is called my pre-image. This is before I moved it. After the move, after I moved it up, is called the image. The pre-image does not have tick marks. The image has tick marks. Okay? And so that is your homework help video. Okay? Please go back and fast forward, if rewind and watch it again if you need to. If you have more questions, ask me tomorrow, okay? Or you can text me and remind to let me know. Have a good one.